Hey guys, welcome to the AI Trading Life YouTube channel. It's our first video, so I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going on here, what you're looking at, how to make profits in either trading, futures or options, or even in just crypto. A little backstory, just quickly, I've been trading for about 8 years. Ever since I was in college, I was mining Bitcoin, and then I traded that for other altcoins, and then now I'm just kind of showing you what I learned, because I remember from back in the day when I was day trading and using leverage, I'd be up at 2 in the morning, couldn't sleep, run over to my phone. Oh, am I making profit? Is it a loss? Do I market sell or buy? And you just don't know what to do in these situations. But if you feel me, I mean, you'll definitely relate to just wanting to have a good strategy and stick to it. Because, you know, sometimes you long and then you second guess yourself and you close the order when you're down. And the next thing you know, it actually flies up. So it's like you were right all along. And then the nice thing I find is sometimes with AI trading, you can actually get trades here at like almost midnight, you know what I mean? Or 2 in the morning. Sometimes the market will spike up and you're not up at that time. And so what you can do here, I found a strategy, and I'm just here to show it to you guys because I found it really helped me take the whole stress level down when it comes to trading, not worry about it, is having a trading strategy, optimizing it, and then as you can see here, automating it. So there's this one website I found called Pinex. And as you can see here, it's more of like a Korean website, so it's not quite available in North America unless you have a VPN like I do. And you can actually set up these different trading bots. So whatever trading strategy you have on TradingView, which is obviously what you're using, the most popular trading platform out there, you can just have it send those SPY signals, those long signals, those short signals to an exchange which does it all for you. Like, this is the future. This is what Wall Street's been doing for years, and how they've been beating us, and how our profit and loss ratio is like below 50%. But if you have the right trading strategies, look at this. Percent profitable, 96.3%. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share some of these trading strategies with you guys for absolutely free. I do have a couple links in the description, so if you want, for example, TradingView Premium, so you can measure the market by the minute, by the second, and you can have multiple alerts going indefinitely. If you need, let's say, NordVPN, so you can get to South Korea, so you can access the Pinex exchange. And if you are gonna make trades on Pinex, I'll give you a referral code so you can get in for free. You can help out the channel. I can continue to create videos like this for you guys. I can really delve deep into how I get some very profitable trading strategies all for free. I can help you guys out the same way it helped me out, because I want nothing more than traders like me who want to kind of start from nothing and make it big, to just stress less, because I know when you're in a trade how it feels. And so when I found out about this whole way of actually getting wins and wins and wins was basically in my sleep, it's really the least I can do to help out the community, because I wouldn't have gotten this far if it wasn't for you guys in the Discord and in the Pinex, Reddit, stuff like that, where I can just really find out what to do to get very profitable. And worry less. So without further ado, let's get into it. Show you a couple things I look for when I boot up a trading strategy, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drop the trading strategy here for you guys. This 15-minute strategy is, like I said, 96% accurate. Profited in the last, let's see here, since the beginning of the year, so the last couple months, over 154%. Now, what you wanna look for is, in your overview here, if you were to buy and hold, you'd have 74% returns if you just bought Bitcoin and held for the last 4 months. Now, we're looking for our net profit, which is 154%. That's a heck of a lot. That's double what you get if you just bought and hold. So you always want that number, you want your net profit to be higher than that. The other thing you're looking for is your drawdown. Drawdown can be scary. So if you have 30% drawdown, 50% drawdown, 80% drawdown, that's awful, because that means that at any point your portfolio could drop up to 80% or 50% or whatever that number is. If it's a 10% drawdown, I'm completely fine with that. I'm risking 10% essentially to get 154%. So that's really good. And then you could look at the different ratios here, but profit factor is essentially a pretty good one. I will give you guys the kind of the keys to the kingdom now, just as like watching this video and continuing and clicking on the links in the description to help out the channel, because you know there's going to be more to come. So what you guys are going to want to do to get this trading strategy exactly is go to your indicators here and type in Siage's magic button. So this one right here. It's kind of low key, but honestly it works very, very well. And you're going to click on the settings. Make sure you're on the 15 minutes here. Click on the settings. You go to your properties, initial capital, base currency, order size is 100% of equity with one pyramiding. Pyramiding is like essentially how many orders it can do at one time. So you can do 5 buy orders, for example, at one time. This is just one order at a time. Keep it simple. And then just copy these settings, okay? I'm gonna go through it slowly with you guys so you can quickly learn. But yeah, disable to optimize is on, price length 11, 62.6. I'll be quiet now so you can write them down. Great, now once you have those, you can go ahead and save those as default and then just click OK. Now, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, whatever you want to do, you can save those. Now, if you want to make this automated, this is where the fun begins. You hit add alert right here. And then you go to your notifications and you make sure what webhook URL is on. Now, go ahead and create an account on Pinex using the link in the description there. The referral link will help with the channel. I really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. You're gonna go to Trading Bot, and on the side here, you're gonna look for Signal Bot. Hit create, TradingView custom signal. See, I'll just match, doesn't matter what it's called. It'll prompt you to say configure. And basically what you're gonna be doing is, like I said, changing the initial capital to 100, order size to 100, and pyramiding to 1, like I just told you. Once you say, I have done those, because you have, there's the webhook URL. You're gonna copy that, go back to the chart. You're gonna be dropping that in there. And then in the message box, clear that out. You're going to, where is it, right here, copy that message and paste it right there. Hit create. Then, once you have done those, you've created the alerts. I've created the alerts. Hit automate signal, and then boom, there's a Siagic magic. So for example, you can go Bitcoin. You can choose your leverage. I'm just gonna leave it at 1. You can add your balance, and for me, I always put profit reinvest on. That's the magic of compounding right there. And then you just hit create bot. Perfect. So now on the Bitcoin 15-minute candle, it'll look for those opportunities to short and long and short and long, and then it'll show you your PNL here. Some are on the 4-hour time frame, so they're more like long-term. These are a couple strategies that I do. I have the longer 4-hour time frame, so as you can see here, the VWAP, the A-Crypto, the ETH swap stack, and I can go into those later, but essentially those are long-term. You're looking at the big picture with those, and then you have a couple here, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame for those short swing intraday trades, okay? Yeah, that's basically it. There is one little secret that I'll tell you guys in the next video, and it's how to optimize your strategy, because sometimes you get these and these numbers aren't as good. And so this is essentially me teaching the man to fish instead of just giving up the fish. You know, I gave you this one, which is on your 15-minute time frame, but what if you want something on the 1 hour? What if you want something on the daily? You just want to basically do it yourself. I will show you exactly how to do that. Tune into the next video where I'll show you exactly how you can go about creating these trading strategies for yourself. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you there. Again, use those links in the description. I really appreciate it while you're getting all your stuff set up.